Let's fix the Windows 11 update error. Click on the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now, one by one, type the following commands exactly as I say. Press Enter after each. These commands stop the update services, rename the cache directories where old update data is stored, and then restart everything cleanly. This ensures no corrupted or incomplete KB files interfere with the new installation. Once all commands complete successfully, close Command Prompt and restart your PC. If it still fails, don't worry. Press Windows +X on your keyboard and choose Windows Terminal, Admin, or Command Prompt, Admin. Once it opens, type this command and hit Enter. Once DISM completes successfully, type the next command, SFC Scano. And that's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like.